I got something here in my pack. Let me see if I can show you how full my pack is right now. I got something in there that you guys are probably going to want to see. It's something new we're going to try, and it's going to bring some, hopefully, some kind of cool footage to you in this video. Stay. Let's put you right here. Okay, stay. No, come here. Need your body. Good. Now this is the surprise I got for you guys today. Sit. Good. Van Life Culture sent us, what is this called? GoPro. He sent us this GoPro camera. And Rob Ortiz sent us this harness. And you know what this harness is for? I've never put it on yet. So we'll see how this works. Echo is very good at letting me mess around with him. So I don't think he's going to care about this at all. Even when he's wearing this, I think he's going to be a good cameraman, basically. And we're going to make some footage today. And so you'll see it here. But I don't really know how to work this GoPro. So we'll see how it turns out. Stay. It's gonna fit on him really good. Echo, get up. Get up. Good, stay. You're gonna be a good camera dog. Let me see if I can get this adjusted really well for you. And then I really have no idea how to work the camera. Is going to be the big deal. That's going to be the big issue. I mean, I think you just turn it on and it starts recording. So you guys let me know what you think of the image. Let Mr. Echo know if he's a good camera dog or not. Hit that thumbs up button. Let us know you're watching. We like to know you're watching. Always trying to bring something new to you guys. Okay. See, that feels pretty good. It's fairly tight, but not too tight. Okay, now I gotta look at this image here. So now it's on. There, and it's rolling. Ooh, that's cool looking. I think you guys are gonna like this. We'll put it on Dodger too. But I want to try it on Echo first because I know he's not gonna have any problem with this on. Echo, get up. Get up. I gotta look at the shot. Okay, now I guess I just let him go and see what kind of footage he captures. Okay, free. Yeah, go shoot some video. Yeah, does that feel weird? It looks good on you, Echo. You look like you're doing something. Okay, Echo, free. And Dodger is used to wearing a backpack. Back in the day, I would hike with him and he'd have his little backpack on. Echo's never really worn a backpack, a couple times, but he's not used to it. I'm sure he'll be fine with it. He'll get used to it. I mean, obviously the thing doesn't weigh anything, but I think he's like a little weirded out by how the straps feel. Okay, I got to get Dodger through this maze. Come on, Echo. Come on, Dodger. This way. Dodger, this way. Dodger, come on. Dodger, come on. Go on, Echo. Now, I think what's going to happen someday is he's going to chase after a deer or an elk, and we'll capture that on camera and see what he does when that happens. You know, it's not something I encourage. It's something I try to prevent as best I can. Like, you know, I do have his leash. It's ready to go right here. But being a nomad, we're in the outdoors all the time. And my overall goal is to get him to not chase stuff. You know, at least a far distance. Like when you saw him chase that squirrel, or he'll chase a rabbit sometimes and it just goes into its hole. And then he comes right back to me. But if it's a hooved animal, then he'll be gone for usually an hour, sometimes 2 or 3. One time it was overnight, and that scared the crap out of me. That's why he has the tracker. I think what's going to happen someday. But being a nomad, we're in the outdoors all the time, and my overall goal is to get him not chase stuff. You know, at least a far distance. Like you saw him chase that squirrel. He'll chase a rabbit sometimes. It just goes into his hole. And then he comes right back to me. But if it's a hooved animal, then he'll be gone for Echo. Come. Echo, seat. Seat, good, sit. Okay, Echo. Free. Go. Go. Come. Come. Want water? Come. Come. Boy, here, water. Echo, water. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Echo, yes. Get it. He's doing pretty good, I think. Good boy. Okay, Echo. Free. Echo, back to camp. There, Echo. Echo, free. Well, I want to give a shout out to Van Life Culture for sending us that GoPro. It looks like it's going to work really good with the phone. I can do a live preview, which I'm testing out right now, and I'll be able to transfer the videos through Bluetooth, which I had no idea it had that capability. It's so cool. Because I don't want to have to like move a card around, switch, like connect things so I can edit the footage. Like I just want to transfer it through the air. Like that makes it so much easier. And thank you to Rob Ortiz for sending the mount for the dog. It's gonna work great on Dodger too. It's gonna be a little bit slower of a video, but that actually might be a good thing. So thank you guys so much for sending us that stuff. I could tell that when you all send us camera gear, like Shiloh sent us this tripod, Sarah Jane sent us this microphone, that you guys appreciate what we're doing and you want to encourage me and the dogs to keep making videos and to improve our videos, our video quality. And that means a lot to me. I hope you guys like the new footage. Check out our Patreon if you want to support the channel and watch some of the behind the scenes footage. I got a lot of footage up there. A couple videos every week, update videos, and that helps support the channel in a huge way. I love the Patreon membership. Go back here. I think I already screwed up. When you get this new equipment, like, you make mistakes with it. So what happened was, he's just used to going under this barbed wire fence here. And now he hit the camera. Good boy, Dodger. Good boy, Echo. He's a good boy. Oh yeah. Well, the lens on this is already cracked. There's like, it's a lens cover protector, so maybe I can replace that. I don't know. It looks like it might not be right over the image. You live and you learn. You want a treat now? You deserve a treat. I give you these treats from Carmen. Sent you guys these. I think these are Dodger's favorites. Yeah. Get it. You're gonna split it, huh? You gonna share it? Good dog. Good boy. Good chewers.